Okay, fifth grade, because I wasn't around to print the spelling word lists, I put them all on the video here for you to go ahead and do. So what you're going to do today for your spelling time is to write down all your spelling words 2 times. Make sure you do the challenge as well. And then you're going to do this side, okay? So this part is going to take a while. So I suggest that you pause the video. You first start this here. Write down the words 2 times on a scrap paper from your organizer bin. And guys, I bet that organizer bin is already super duper messed up. Whoever goes and helps Kenzie organize that, it should be the Ultimate Hulk, but if she is not busy, if she is busy or doing something else, which I think is Bulakia, other people contribute to organizing that. If Kenzie tells me you helped her organize that section, the organizer area, and you got your 3 pencils, 3 glue sticks, and your paper, I will reward you maybe by giving you some more bonus points. Maybe I'll give you 20 points on Class Dojo, or maybe I'll give you something else. But make sure you keep that organizer in place, organized. So first things first, you're going to write these 2 times. Then you're going to come back and write all of these down. And for this portion, it says drawing conclusions. Write the list word that fits each clue. A hot dog is one type of this food. You're going to look over at your list of spelling words. A hot dog is one type of this food. What is a hot dog? Well, it's a hot dog. You guys know what a hot dog is. What other thing, if you don't have a hot dog, what's another way to say hot dog? Sausage. That one would be sausage. So you're going to go ahead and write sausage down. After you write all of this down on your paper, you're going to write sausage. Number 2, if you behave well, no one will call you this. You're going to look in your spelling list. What word do you think matches this clue? You're going to write the answer there. I already gave you one. I'm not going to give you all of them. I'm going to give you one more. You would find the Great Salt Lake City in this state. Now, if you were to look at the clue, it's a state. Okay, what spelling word what word on your spelling list is a state? It's Utah. The answer to number 3 is Utah. Utah has Salt Lake City in it. So those 2 I gave to you. So you're just gonna be matching up your spelling words, okay? And then the spelling words you use here should not be used again in this portion in synonyms and in strategic spelling. Now synonyms, the directions for this is write a list word that means the same as each word or phrase below. So 10, pick out. What spelling word is the same as pick out? A synonym is just a word. If you say a word, you can say another word that has the same meaning. So what word over here has the same meaning as pick out? Let's look. Choose. First word there, choose. When you pick out something, you are choosing. You choose. So you're going to write choose next to pick out, okay? What's another word for tossed? You're going to look over here. Look for a word that has the same meaning as tossed. It's going to be threw. She tossed the ball, or he threw the ball. Made a picture. What has the same meaning as made a picture? You're going to look over here at your spelling list and figure out which has the same meaning. Next one is regularly. What's another word that has the same meaning as regularly? That might be a little bit tricky. I will tell you it regularly. That one's tricky. Oh, it's right over here. It's between 1 and 9. What has another meaning for regularly? I regularly brush my teeth. What's another one? I'm going to give you that one because that one's tricky. I usually brush my teeth, which doesn't have the same meaning as regularly really, because usually and regularly are kind of like I usually brush my teeth and I regularly brush my teeth. But that's the only one that closely gets to it. Because it can't be any of these other ones, really. Yeah, I think it's usually. But that's kind of ridiculous. 14 is instructed. Some of these are hard. Instructed is like, it means you are, let's see. I would think taught, but I don't think taught's in here. Oh, it is! Instructed is taught. I'm sorry. Gosh, I'm giving you all the answers. A small shovel. Okay. It has the same meaning as a small shovel. I think it's somewhere between 10 and 13. Pick one that has the same idea as small shovel. Stall. What's another meaning for stall? I believe it would probably be a stall is usually like you go to the bathroom stall or the horses are in the stall. What's another word for stall? Oh, I think it's somewhere between 12 and 15. Which one of these words is almost like stalled? Okay. Now remember when I said the bathroom stall or I put the horse in the stall. Dirty clothes. What has another meaning for dirty clothes? Synonym. Dirty clothes. I have to wash my dirty clothes. Okay. Somewhere between 10 and 15. You will find it. Dirty clothes. That was tricky, guys. Alright, then we have strategic spelling. A humorous friend is often in a humorous friend is often in good. Oh, this is tricky. Alright, the hint is humorous. What word do you see in your spelling word that has the root of humorous? It's somewhere between 12 and 16. By root, I mean what word looks like humorous. An expert jeweler examined what word in your spelling list almost looks like jeweler. The answer could be found between 10 and 15. The musician composed his own. Okay, so this is the hint. Musician. What word in our spelling list looks almost the same as musician? It's between 1 and 8. Okay, so there you got it, guys. If you need more hints, rewatch this video and it will give you some hints. Let me see. Let me look at this drawing conclusion. You can do this to a missile, a ship, or a satellite. That one is 17 through 20. That's my hint for that one. This place has books, desks, and a playground. I think you can get that one. Passengers on a ship or airplane have to trust this. Passengers on a ship or airplane have to trust this. Oh, okay. It's between... Oh, no. It's between 3 and 6. Okay, what... If you're on a ship, an airplane, who do you trust? Do you trust the crew, the drew, or the future? Which word do you use for that number 6? This piece of cleaning equipment is in most houses. Okay, I think you can do that. What cleaning equipment will you usually find in a house? This piece, a man can use this word to describe his own sister. I think you can figure that out. What do you call your sister? What? A man can use this word to describe his son's sister. His son's sister. So if you're the father and you have a son, but you also have somewhere between 15 and 20. You also have a girl who is your dog. I'm not going to tell the rest of the word. If you are good at predicting, you will be able to tell this period of time. Oh, okay. If it's a period of time, it's somewhere between either it's past, present, or it's one of these words here. Okay, you guys got it? Hopefully you do. That's my clues for this assignment. Do this and turn the 2 practice ones on a scrap paper to the substitute, and also do this, okay? Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Good work, guys. Work good.